Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fill your NaukriGulf profile on NaukriGulf app. First, log into your NaukriGulf account using your email and password. After that, click on profile icon and select my profile. Here, start with your basic information like full name, mobile number, email address, nationality, and current location. Make sure all details are correct. After that, the app will ask you to upload your CV or update resume. Choose your last or latest CV from your phone or computer and upload it. Here you can mention your key skills, preferred job role, industries, and preferred job location. This helps employees match your profile with the right job. Check all the details carefully and click save. Make sure your profile is completely present in hide. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.